everybody. Welcome, welcome. All right, give me just a second. I'm gonna make sure I have my camera up as high as I can get it. So I'm going to check my camera. Ooh. I know you guys probably can't see the whole thing from what I'm seeing on my computer. Hold on. Let's see if I can scooch it up a little bit. I don't know if you guys can see all that. I've got it as high as I go. All right, we're just gonna go with that. So tonight I am working on a big chalkboard. And this is for the home show this weekend. My thing is with every show that I go to, I always make this exact design on this chalkboard, and it sells every single time. Now, knock on wood that I've said that, it probably won't sell this time, but this seems to be a really, really popular one. And sorry, my hands are gross. I've been doing jewelry and I've been painting and doing projects and all sorts of stuff. So anyway, this unfortunately is a retired transfer. So if you ever have the chance to snag one, get it, because yeah, I don't, if they were to bring this transfer back, it would sell like crazy. I know it would. So I'm secretly hoping it comes back one day. So I'll keep this design pretty simple, and I just do white. Because one time I did the script in pink, and people didn't like it as much. They just liked the plain white. I'm gonna scooch this up a little bit more. So I'm using my angled squeegee tonight. It's a little bit messy, sorry. But this is awesome for big, big projects. And the screw is coming loose. Oh no. So anytime you're using, especially like single colors like this, when you want to work quickly, which you definitely want to do on a project like this. There we go. Am I going the right way? Lefty loosey, righty tighty, right? There we go. When you're doing a big project like this, you want to move kind of quickly. So what I'll probably do is paste and peel. So I'll paste the first part, peel it up a little bit, paste the second part, peel it up, paste the next part, and then peel that up. So when you're doing something big like this, the key is just to throw a ton of chalk paste onto it. And since I'm using the big squeegee, we can do big motions. So let's see. Here we go. Hold on. I'm gonna roll up my sleeves. This is a Hobby Lobby chalkboard. So if you watched last night, you saw my little disaster with the Hobby Lobby chalkboard I had last night. But this is actual, I don't know if it's porcelain, but it's not the metal painted stuff like the one that I used last night. This is a pretty high quality board in my opinion. And I get them all the time. So I'm just gonna squeegee down. I said I was gonna do the paste and peel, but I've got so much paste on here that I'm just gonna go ahead and do the whole thing. Seriously guys, this is gonna take me like less than 5 minutes. I maybe got too much paste. I may have gone a little overboard. There. This is why I love this giant handled squeegee. Oh yeah. So even for a big project, you don't need as much paste as you think you do. Better to have too much though. Hold on. I'm actually going to use the little squeegee. I usually don't have enough, so I got a little crazy tonight. There we go. Hope everyone's having a good night. Comment hi. Or where you're coming from, where you're watching from, or what you're doing tonight. Is anybody watching basketball? I've got to hurry up and get all my stuff done so I can go in and watch, because with the home show this weekend, I'm not going to be able to watch. And I'm one of those people that does like on my Dish TV, they have a separate channel where you can watch all 4 basketball channels at the same time. Like picture in picture, because there's 4 of them. All right. Wipe that off. Here we go. I'm going to go from this direction so that hopefully I don't get my head in the camera shot. And then once this is done, I'm going to run and wash it really quick. So I'm going to sign off here in just a second. Ooh. Whoop. There we go. Ta-da! And I don't really have a good place to set this. So there we go. I don't know if you guys can see that at all. So I'll kind of like, hold on, I'm gonna take the camera out of my little thing so I can show you the whole thing. So there is the whole thing. Isn't that cute? This thing is a beast. It is so heavy. And I always have to give people instructions on how to make sure you hang it so you don't, tear your sheetrock. But hopefully this one sells this weekend. It's always one of my popular ones, so I just wanted to hop on here really quick and kind of show you guys. So I'm gonna sign off. I know it was kind of quick tonight, but I've got like 2 more boards that I need to get done and get the rest of my stuff loaded up for tomorrow. So thank you everyone for tuning in, and I will probably go live at some point this weekend from the home show. So hopefully I don't forget. I might do that tomorrow because tomorrow probably won't be quite as busy, but show you guys my booth and everything. So have a good night and rock, chalk, Jayhawk. Woohoo! Go KU. Bye.